Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Namma Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to prepare everybody's favorite recipe, vegetable pulao, or famously known as ricebath in Karnataka. This vegetable pulao could be served for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Here are the ingredients list to prepare vegetable pulao. This is one of the simplest and easiest one-pot meal that we are going to prepare today. Ingredients we need are raw rice 2 cups, 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 big-sized potato, 10 to 12 French beans or green beans, 1/4 cup green peas. Here I have taken dry green peas. You can also use frozen green peas here. 2 medium-sized onions, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Garam masalas that we need are bay leaf 1, cardamom 3 cinnamon sticks that are 1 inch each, 5 cloves, 1 star anise, 3/4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 4 green chilies, half cup of mint or Pudina leaves, half cup of Coriander Leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of any pulav masala or biryani masala, salt as per taste, 4 cups of water and half lemon. Firstly, I have taken some green peas in a bowl and added some water. I have soaked this green peas overnight. You can also choose to soak it for around 4 to 5 hours. You can also use frozen green peas instead. As you see, this is the green peas that I had soaked, which has increased in size. So now let's go ahead and get ready with the ingredients that we need to prepare the vegetable pulao. First, I have taken a carrot which I washed in water. Now let's go ahead and peel the carrot and chop it. I am going ahead and keeping the chopped vegetables in a bowl containing water. Now let's go ahead and peel the potato and chop it as well. Transfer the chopped potatoes as well to the same bowl immediately, or else the potatoes will turn dark. Now let's go ahead and chop the French beans. Karnatakastyle vegetable pulao is actually very different from the regular pulao. In this, a green masala paste made with herbs and spices are added and transfer it to the bowl containing water. Now let's go ahead and chop the onions. Now finally let's go ahead and chop the onions. Take a small mixie jar and add mint or Pudina and coriander leaves and grind this into a fine paste. As you see, I have ground this into a fine paste. I am showing the consistency of the ground paste. Now turn on the gas stove and keep a cooker over it. Once the cooker gets heated, add some ghee. Once the ghee melts, add some oil. Let's add the garam masalas once the oil gets slightly heated. As you see, I have taken 1 bay leaf, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 5 cloves and 3 cardamom. Now slightly fry this. Now let's go ahead and add chopped onions. Fry the onions for a minute so that it's cooked slightly. Now let's go ahead and add ginger garlic paste. Let's fry the onions and ginger garlic paste until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. Now let's go ahead and add split green chilies. Fry this for a minute. I'm mixing this well so that the ginger garlic paste doesn't get burnt. Now let's go ahead and add the ground paste. Mix it well. Make sure that you keep the flame in medium and fry this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's go ahead and add around 1.5 tablespoon of pulav masala or any biryani masala. Now we'll have to go ahead and fry this masala well. I fried this masala for around 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame until the water gets evaporated and oil gets separated. I fried this masala completely. As you see, the masala color has changed. Now let's go ahead and add some turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now let's go ahead and add 2 cups of water. I have taken this water from the mixie jar in which we had ground Pudina and Coriander Leaves, and that's the reason the water is green in color. Mix it well in such a way that the masalas are not sticking to the bottom of the cooker. Now let's go ahead and add the vegetables that we had chopped earlier. As we are using a variety of vegetables in this recipe, this is one of the healthiest recipe that anybody could have. Also, the soaked green peas. You can also use fresh green peas here. Mix it well. And once the water starts boiling, let's go ahead and add 2 more cups of water. Now I'm adding salt as per taste. Please make sure that you add little bit more salt whenever you're preparing any recipe using rice. Once the masala starts boiling, let's go ahead and add the rice that we had washed with water. This palav is made using Sona Masuri rice and not with basmati rice. And now let the water boil again. Now let's mix this well. Please make sure that you do not close the lid of the cooker until the water starts boiling. Close the lid. This will ensure that the rice gets cooked perfectly and will not get sticky and mushy. Let the palav cook for around 3 whistles in high flame and let it simmer for around 5 minutes. Open the lid. Wow! As you see, our vegetable pulav has cooked beautifully. And trust me, this vegetable pulav has cooked perfectly and has not got stuck in the bottom. Now finally, let's go ahead and add some tangy flavor to this vegetable pulav. I'm squeezing some juice out of half lemon. Mix this gently and serve it to your loved ones. As you see, our yummy, delicious and beautiful vegetable pulav or rice bath is ready to be served. This is also a best combination with some raita or some vegetable saag. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Aduge and hit the bell icon. If you like my video or if you try this recipe, I request you to hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, please drop them under the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.